Same women and right. I'm making change, I make it rain. We ain't the same. I'm pulling up.
What's going on, guys? I am back again with a video this time, man. Very different, man. Very different video, man. Special one. You know what I'm saying? But you guys can tell by the title of the video, man. Oh snap! I just found this out too. So I'm, you know what I'm saying, showing you guys. You're like, whoa, what's the deal? What's going on with it? Hey man, today we're gonna be checking out the Sour Patch Kids ice cream. What? Hold on. What? I was at the store one day, I was like, oh, I gotta try this. You know what I'm saying? With vanilla light ice cream and lemon sorbet with the red berry swirl and original Sour Patch Kids bites. You know what I'm saying? Hey, it could be flame. I think so. Look at that. Look at the design is going crazy. Look at that. I mean, look at that. Like the side, it says, y'all see that? It says Sour Patch Kids sober with light ice cream is a sour then sweet treat with the red berry swirl and real Sour Patch Kids bites. Get it before it's sour, sweet, gone. You know what I'm saying? Hey man, it look bomb. Woo! Welcome. This is Malico. You guys are tuned in to. Welcome for everybody that's new, man. Make sure you guys hit the like button, man, because this one's about to be good. You know what I'm saying? If you guys want to go try this, make sure you guys do. Make sure, for real. Because hey, I'm gonna let y'all know if it's good or not. You know what I'm saying? Alright, let's get into it. Let's try this out. Just took out the top. That's what it's looking like. What? It's good. Woo! That's what it looked like. Woo! Smell good too. Alright. You know, hey man. Whoo! I tell y'all right now, man. Hey. It slapped. It's the smack. I'm telling you. This Sour Patch Kids ice cream smack. Bruh. This is really good. Like, I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna hold y'all up. Bruh, y'all for real gotta get y'all some Sour Patch Kids ice cream. This must smack for real. This is really good. I can't stop eating. I can't stop eating it. And there's more. This whole thing. I'm definitely gonna finish this. I'm definitely gonna finish this, man. Not on this video though. But this is definitely gonna get finished. This is crazy. Oh, I just read on the side here, 1.5 quarts. All 1.5 quarts of this is gonna be gone. It's gonna be 0 quarts after this. You know, like this is gonna become 0 quarts. Just flash. For anybody that's hot, anybody, you know, y'all outside hot right now, sweating, just got done running around. You know what I'm saying? Y'all out and about. You know what I'm saying? You just got done eating some food, some good food. Shoot, go to the store and get you some Sour Patch Kids ice cream. Feel good. Feel great. Real good afterwards. As you eating it, you're gonna be like, dang, Malico, he was right. Make sure y'all go cop this. This is so good. So, if I was to rate this out of 10, hold on. If I was to rate this 1 to 10, shoot, I'll give this like a 9.3, bruh. And I mean, 9.2. Smack. 100% for sure. Alright, y'all. Y'all got something else? Y'all got some other crazy ice cream you guys want me to try, man? Let me know down below in the comments, or my social media sites, they be out down below in the description, man. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to hit the like button in this video, man. Make sure you guys subscribe. And for everybody that's new, man, for real, Ayo Squad, you guys know what time it is, man. We going to the top. We ain't gonna quit it all. We got this. Alright? I'll see you guys in the next video.